Lincoln Navigator, we got the booster connected. They changed out this module, the powertrain control module. Turn it on. Security light right there is flashing. Our job is to get that away. Because what happened is if I try to start the car, it's non-stop cranking. Oh, look, program's complete. We're cutting ourselves new keys because the customer gave us a key that I don't trust. I don't like the quality, so we're going to give out and supply my own. I cut 2 new keys because the key that they got, I don't trust this one. Used crap. I just don't trust it. So we're going to use my keys. We're going to see that the flash security light should be solid. Wait a couple seconds. And put the new key on. Same thing. Now it disappeared. You saw that? Cool. That was one key. Now I'm going to use the other one. Now this one should disappear too. Boom. Cool. Now I'm going to start the car. Look at that. It's running beautifully. Let's go, everybody. Done deal. Let me clean up and get on home. Job is done. Hey.